2002 Itasca Spirit 31 with Slideout for sale in Logan, Utah 84321. Get ready for your ultimate adventure with this 2002 Itasca Spirit 31 with Slideout. This Class C RV comes fully loaded with luxury, style, and class. It is 31 feet in length and features a charming floor plan with Slideout. It can comfortably accommodate up to 8 guests, which makes this RV the ideal memory-making environment for loved ones and friends. This unit is powered by a Ford Triton V10 engine. This 2002 Itasca Spirit 31 with Slideout comes fully loaded with options and features that cradle the balance between performance and appeal. You can easily make this luxury RV your next home away from home. Some of its incredible advantages include fridge, microwave, gas range, water heater, sleeps up to 8, 2 upgarded flat-screen TVs, large Slideout Onan generator, upgraded touchscreen stereo, outdoor shower, outdoor sound system, large awning in great condition, nearly new tire, and more. This 2002 Itasca Spirit 31 with Slideout has been very well maintained. With a modest 44,000 miles, you can rest assured that this RV is ready to invest in your happiness. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own the luxury RV you've been searching for at a fraction of the cost. This Spirit is priced to sell, so call today for more information on how you can truly cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this 2002 Spirit Adventurer.